Generally it is says that there is no age limit for love. प्यार की कोई उम्र नहीं होती. But let's understand this statement from a legal point of view. If we talk about India, there are two laws which talks about the sexual offences committed against the children. One is Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which provides punishment for rape, and second is POCSO, that is Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012, which provides punishment for sexual offences committed against children. Now, in both the laws, if the age of the child is below 18 years, in that case, the offense is made punishable and the consent of the children is irrelevant. Because in India, it is believed that a child below 18 years does not have the rational thinking to form a consent with regard to a sexual offense. Therefore, these offenses are statutory offenses or statutory rape because here the consent is irrelevant. So if you are indulging with a person who is below 18, in that case the sexual act is considered as offense irrespective of the fact that the other party is a consenting party. As per the government reports, there are 28% of cases where the POCSO is imposed upon the boy, but later on court found that it is a case of love affair. Though the court releases the person in the case of love affair, depending upon the facts and circumstances, but remember that love affair is not a legally recognized exception under both the laws. Second factor which needs to be keep in mind is that release is always or the acquittal is made at the end of the trial, but during the stage of investigation, inquiry and trial, generally the boy needs to be kept in jail and he need to suffer a lot before getting acquittal. So before indulging any such case, remember love has a age that is 18 years, and if your partner is below 18, never ever indulge sexually with that partner. Struggle of the boy during the whole stage of investigation, inquiry, and trial is beautifully depicted in a movie called State versus Nobody. I hope you like the video, and for more such videos, please like and subscribe.